For example, one iodine monochloride is more reactive than iodine white. Very simple question. It's a very, very simple question. So, if you take, for example, if you take iodine monochloride, you see, ICl and iodine. Understand? Both the iodine atoms possess same size of valence. What is the valence orbital of iodine? So 5s, 5p, 5p. When you put a symbol on 5p, we have to discuss iodine molecule. 5p orbitals are having same sizes. This is also 5p, so it's a 5p overlap. Orbitals are having the same size, the overlap is much effective. Overlap is much effective bond, covalent bond. Formed so strong. Covalent bond formed is more strong. You say more strong the molecule is less reactive. Right? Now come to ICl. Difference in the size of valence orbitals. What is the overlap? 5p fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. 5p, 3p overlap. So it will be like this: 5p, 3p overlap. So it's literally it's going to be a 5p, 3p overlap. 3p size is like this. See, overlap is ineffective. Can say that bond is weaker compared to iodine. When the bond is weaker, we can say it is much reactive than iodine.